All right, so I just finished my third, or I'm not finished, I'm doing the vacuum right now, my third sweep of nitrogen. I could not pull less than 800 and some gram, oh, that's the second one. 880 microns. My vacuum pump just wouldn't bring it down no matter what. It just kept flatlining. So I swept it right here where you see the line going up. That was me putting in pressure of nitrogen in there. Then turned on the vacuum, you see it coming back down. And then it came back down to 705 microns after the sweep of nitrogen. And then it started steadying out. It started plateauing where it was starting to go really slow. So at that point, you could see where I broke it with nitrogen again, and it went all the way up. And then you see it coming back down again. And we're at 684 microns within 60 seconds. And you see the minutes here, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and we haven't even gone into 7 minutes right here, and it's going over. So I got the majority. This is an old vehicle, original, other than somebody retrofitting it. And so now I'll go to the point, get it down as possible, but there's nothing, once somebody contaminates this system so bad that you see rust on the inside, there's nothing you can do. Unless you were gonna completely take apart every component and literally almost rifle rod it out with a nylon brush to remove the metal flakes, because these are steel lines, these are not aluminum lines. So you could get to the point, sometimes the acid level builds up from having moisture, and it's so bad that the inside of these lines look like a clogged artery of a human, where there's flakes of rust literally flaking off on the inside of these steel lines because the anodized doesn't even protect from even that high acid content. All right, catch you on the next one. Slow, see here, we were 602, 668, 602, and it's flatlining right there. It's just not going down anymore. And it says 83 a minute, but it's barely going down. And that is moisture. When I turn it off, it just zips right off. All right, see you guys later. Nothing I can do. And this one's not jaggeding, it's just so much, it's just flooding. If I left it on overnight, it would get down a little bit, but it'd still spike back up. And that was just due to excessive moisture contamination.